Hi there guys, welcome to another one of Mr. McHale's lessons from home. So today we are going to be doing a science experiment and it's going to follow on slightly from the one we did last week. So for this you're going to need 2 glasses, or you can use cups, but they've got to be see-through so you can see what's happening. Some tap water, some fizzy water, some raisins or sultanas, either one's fine, and a spoon. So quite a simple one today. So first, pop these out the way. We're going to start by carefully filling up one glass with our tap water. There we go. Nice little full glass of water there. Take that away. And now we're just going to carefully put a spoonful of raisins into our water and see what happens. Let's have a look. Not much happening there, to be honest. They've just sunk to the bottom. Now, if we remember from last week, the reason they've sunk to the bottom is because the raisins are more dense than the water. So they've just sunk straight down to the bottom. But now we're going to have a look what happens if we use our fizzy water. So see if we can get a good gush on that. Love that sound. Pour it in till about the same level we had the water on. Now, same thing again. A glass of fizzy water. You might be able to spot a few little bubbles in there. I'm going to throw some raisins on the floor accidentally, and then get a nice spoonful of raisins and pop them in and see what happens. Let's have a look. And we can see our raisins are almost dancing, going up and down. Now, I wonder if we can think of any reasons why that might be happening. So, since we've been talking about density, we might think that, maybe with fizzy water, the fizzy water is more dense than normal water, which lets the raisins float up, but that's not actually the case. So if we take a real close look at our raisins, you can see that they've got lots of little air bubbles around them. So the air bubbles around our raisin make our raisins less dense. So because of all those air bubbles, they're becoming less dense because the air is less dense than the water. Now, the reason they go up and come back down is because when they go up to the top, the air bubbles pop. So when the air bubbles pop, again, the raisins become more dense than the water and they float back down. So all those little air bubbles are the reason that we are able to make our raisins dance. Those are our dancing raisins. So you guys have a little try at this one at home. I'll upload to our video and let me know how it goes. Thank you. Bye.